Welcome to homework.
Hello students, the problem is an application of Ramsey theorem. This is the application of Ramsey theorem, which provides a guarantee that certain regularities will appear in sufficiently large complete graphs. In this case, we are looking at K43, which is a complete bipartite graph. Complete bipartite graph with partitions of size 4 and 3. The statement is no matter how we color the edges of K43 with red and blue, so we can find either a red copy of K4 or a blue copy of K6. So assume that it is possible to color the edges of K43 with red and blue in such a way that there is neither a red copy of K4 nor a blue copy of K6. So consider one of the vertices in the partition of size 4. Let's call it V. Let V be one of these vertices in partition of size 4. There are 3 edges incident to V connecting it to the partition of size 3. Without loss of generality, assume the edges are colored red, blue and red. Among these 3 edges, there must be at least 2 of the same color. So that will be red, red. Now consider the 3 vertices in the partition of size 3. They are connected to V. So without loss of generality, we assume that the edges are colored red, blue and red. Among these 3 edges, there must be at least 2 of the same color, red, red. Now we have found a red triangle. The edges between V and the 3 vertices in the partition of size 3. This forms a red copy of K3 and we know that a red triangle must exist. Next, consider the 3 vertices in the partition of size 3, that they are not connected to V. So without loss of generality, assume the edges are colored blue, blue, blue. Among these 3 edges, there must be a blue triangle forming a blue copy of K3. So red triangle and blue triangle exists. Now we have found a red copy of K3 and a blue copy of K3 within K43, which is a contradiction. So we have found both a red copy of K3 and a blue copy of K3 within K43, which is a contradiction. Therefore, our assumption that it is possible to color the edges without finding a red K4 or a blue K4 must be false. So our assumption is false. So the statement is proved. Hope the video is useful to you. Thank you.